Welcome to the Casa Della Lavanda. We are an ordinary family, living in the most extraordinary place. With our 2 cats, and our 2 dogs. We live on top of the world. Well, on top of a mountain, in an old house in deepest, rustic, Italy. We're just mad about crafting, creating, and
oh my goodness, I can't believe this. I cannot believe this.
restoration. Join us here on YouTube for regular videos on how to craft, create, and restore, including tips and tutorials for crochet, knitting, painting, restoration, and more, as well as what it's like to live in the beautiful Italian countryside. See you soon!